Hello guys, welcome to Tech Kizak's channel, and in today's episode we're gonna learn the following topics and you can find the timestamp in the description box. So let's start. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. You can turn an entire column in Power Query into a list. Let's see how we can do this and why it is so powerful. For example, I just want to work on the department section. So I am using very small data set, employee, department and salary, but this will be very useful when you have larger data. So for example, I had this data and I want to convert one into the list and then work on it. So I will take this data into the Power Query and then we will select the column we want to edit and then go to transform tab. Here we have this option convert to list, and if we click on this we will get this section over here named as list rule on the top of transform. So here we can convert this single column that we converted into a list, we can convert it into a table. If we click on this, we will convert this into a table and select or enter delimiter. We will keep this as no and then select OK. Now this is a table. We can undo this step by going over here and click on this cross. Now we get some different options here. We have keep top items, keep bottom items, etc. And then we have remove item, remove top items, bottom item and alternate items. And then we have remove duplicates and reverse items. This will reverse the list. And then we have sort function, ascending and descending. And then we have statics. As this is a text, so we cannot do all of this. We can only do count values or count distinct values. So hopefully you understand how to convert a single column in your data into a list. If we cut a step back, we're back to our data. So hopefully you understand how you can convert your column into a list and then you can do simpler, smarter transformations. Hopefully you liked today's video. If you liked today's video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Let's learn about set column in the Power Query in Excel. So I have this data in which I have full name and then email and then product code. So I want to split first name and last name, and then in the product code I want to separate code, number and region. So what I will do is I can use the flash fill, but I'm not using flash fill. I will go to Power Query and edit the data over there. So what I will do is I will click anywhere in my data and then go to data tab, and here click on from table main, and then this will ask you to convert your data into table, and my table has header, of course, full name, email and product code, and then select OK. Now I have data over here. So as we were learning about all the options and we are on the set column option, so we will split the full name first, and then as we are splitting by delimiter, and then delimiter is set and split at each occurrence of the delimiter and then select OK. So now we have first name and full name. Now we can rename the column. So I have renamed as first name, then this one as last name. So I have renamed these column. Now I have first name and last name separate, and here in the product code I want everything separate. So what I will do is I will go to split column, and here again choose the delimiter, but now the delimiter will be this, and then split at each occurrence because it is appearing after each. So I will do this each occurrence of the delimiter and then select OK. So I will edit the name. I have code now, and then we have number, rename everything, and then this is region. Now we have everything separately, and in split column you can even split by the number of characters, by positions, by lowercase to uppercase, by uppercase to lowercase, by digit to non-digit, and by non-digit to digit. So hopefully you understand how you can use the split column and how powerful it is to edit the data in Power Query and using the flash fill and all the difficult formulas. Just go to Power Query and edit the data directly, and then you can take the cleanup data by clicking on the file, close and load, and now you have this data over here, and we have first name, last name, email, code, number, my region, and this is our old data, this is our new data. So you can double click on this one and then go back to Power Query and then edit your data again. So hopefully you understand split column today. If you like my video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. As we were learning all the other options, today we will learn about format option in the Excel. So here you can change your column values into lowercase, uppercase, or you can capitalize each word, trim, clean, add effects or suffix. First, trying to use the lowercase, this will convert all the letters into lowercase. As you can see here, it converted all the letters into lowercase. Then we will use capitalize each word. This will convert the first letter of each word in the selected column into an uppercase. So now it changed only the first letter to upper column. And then we have uppercase. This will convert all the letters in the selected column into uppercase. If we click on this, now you can see all the letters are in uppercase. And then we have trim and clean. As we already have clean data, so it will not show any flat. This will remove any trailing white spaces from each cell in the selected column. So trim will remove all the spaces that you don't need from your selected column. And then we have clean. This will remove non-printable characters in selected column. For example, if you have any characters, this will remove them. And then we have add prefix. This will add a specific value to the front of each text in the selected column. For example, if we click on this, for example, let's add 1. This is just for example, and then select OK. Now it added 1 at the start of each value. Let's do this. And then we have suffix. This will add the text value to the end of each value. For example, let's add 1 and then select OK. As you can see, it added value at the end of each value. So hopefully you understand all the options in the format section in Power Query. So if you have ever messed up with the cases, you can either convert them into all uppercase, or this is the perfect capital each word. So this will only capitalize the first word and leave the other word. So this is the most useful case you will use. And then we have trim and clean. These are the most useful cases as well. So hopefully you liked today's video. If you liked today's video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we learn about extract data option in Power Query Excel. So I have this data and I want to extract some data from the columns in separate columns. So instead of choosing difficult formulas, we will use extract function in Power Query. So click anywhere in your data and go to data tab and click on from table range to take this data into the Power Query. And it's asking you to create table and your table have headers. So we will click this one option. If we don't, then it will detect these as row, not as the headers, and then select OK. Now we have our data in the Power Query. So if we go to transform tab and then we have extract function, we can extract the data depending on the length, first character, last character, etc. So the first option we have length. This will return the length of the text in the selected column. So if I click on this will return 11 because there were 11 characters in the product code. So let's undo this step because we don't need this step. So first we have first characters. If we click on this, for example, we want to extract first 3 or 4 characters. For example, let's extract 3 characters and then select OK. Now we have first 3 characters extracted from that one column and that column is gone now. We have extracted the first 3 characters. Let's undo this step and now we have last characters. Let's extract the last 3 characters and then select OK. Now we have only last 3 characters. We undo this and for example, we just want to extract the middle number. We don't want these alphabets around it. So we will go over to extract and text between delimiter and start text, start delimiter was this and end delimiter was this as well. And then select OK. You will see we have now the middle number extracted from the product code. So hopefully you learned about these options. We'll learn about all the other options in our next video. If you like the video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. As we were learning about all option in Excel, let's learn about extract option. As I have told you about these option in my previous video, now we will learn about this range option, that how can we extract the required data with this option. So for example, in order info, I just want to get this number out of this data. I don't want order number and then I don't want this country code as well. So I just want this number. So what I will do is I will go to extract and then click on range. So where you want to start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you see in the order, we have 5 words and then we have hash. So we start from index 7 because this is 6. The 7 will be starting from 2. So we will put 7 here and then how many numbers we want to extract, 2 or 5. We want to extract 5 numbers. This is same for all of them. So this will only work if all of the numbers are same, like they have only 5 characters as you can see here. Now select okay. What happened? We did something wrong, 2 or 5. So we need to put starting index. We need to put starting index 6 and then here 5 and then select okay. We need to put starting number index 6 and number of character to be extracted is 5. So hopefully you understand how to use the range to extract the specific number of your data from a column using the range. And we have text before delimiter and text after delimiter. For example, I want to extract text before at. So we will go to extract and text before at and then select OK. Now we have the email address before the at and we can use the same option over here. We can extract after the delimiter at to get the domain of their email addresses. And then we have text between delimiter. I have already told you about this option in my previous video. Please go and check that video. And if you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. So do you know how to extract everything from JSON text in Excel? So I have this text in JSON text form and I want to extract the order ID and then the customer name and then amount. To easily extract this without using any formula, we will use Power Query. So we will click anywhere in our data and then go to data tab and then go to from table range and this will ask you to create a table and then select OK. Now we have this data into Power Query and I want to extract everything in one step. I don't want to use any formula. I don't want to mess around with data and you got this Parse option in Excel Power Query. So what you will do is you will go over and click on JSON and then this will show you this one. Then you got this option to expand. If you click on this, it will ask you which column you want. So I want all of the column and then select OK. Now I got order ID, customer name and then amount. So I can rename these. I only need order ID. I don't need this JSON text behind it. Let's undo everything. And then here same, I only need customer and I don't need this JSON.text. Again here I only need amount. Let's rename these columns and then press enter. Now I got this string data from JSON into text. So hopefully you understand what this option is and how we can use it to extract rows and column from JSON or XML. In the next video we will learn about how we can extract data from XML. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video.